Welcome to Bauna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you quick and easy Szechuan sauce. I have already shared one video of preparing Szechuan sauce at home, and today's version is really quick and easy. I use this recipe when I run out of Szechuan sauce and I have my own way of preparing, probably not the authentic way, but tastes amazing. So let's begin. Alright, so here I have taken all the ingredients to prepare Szechuan sauce. I have ginger and garlic. You can use the same amount of ginger and garlic, but I use double the garlic than ginger. So here I have 2 tablespoons of ginger and quarter cup of about 4 tablespoons of garlic. And I prefer to use minced ginger garlic, or you can chop them really fine. Here I have 2 kinds of chili powder and chili flakes. You can use just either one. If you have just a red chili powder, you can just go ahead and use that. And this you can add as per your taste. If you like little mild, you can just add less. So I'm taking 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Salt and sugar as per your taste. Tomato paste, or you can use ketchup, tomato ketchup. Sesame seed oil and soy sauce. Now here I have scallions. I'm going to use only the white part of scallions. Spring onion, also known as, or green onion. Or you can use simply the stems of coriander leaves if you do not have scallion on hand. So as I said, just a white part. Little bit of a green part should be okay. And then I'm just going to chop really fine. Carefully split from the middle and then chop fine. Or you can just chop like this first and then run your knife through like this to make it fine, like so. Heat up about quarter cup of oil. Yes, you do need a little bit more oil for this recipe, but it's sesame seed oil. It's good for health, and you're not going to use all the sauce at once. So about quarter cup of sesame seed oil. You can use other regular oil, but I prefer to use sesame seed oil. Add finely chopped scallion. Bring down the temperature on a medium to high heat. Before it was on high heat. Saute green onion. It doesn't take too long, so just keep an eye on it and stay by the stove. Salt, ginger and garlic. Saute for a little bit. When ginger, garlic, onion sauteed really well, start adding rest of the ingredients. Here I have both kinds of chilies. Tomato paste, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon. You can add up to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Sugar, soy sauce, and cook till oil separates from all the ingredients. If you want to store it for longer in a refrigerator, be sure to cook ingredients really well. If you are using the same day, it shouldn't be a problem. But if you want to use it later, I recommend to cook this sauce really well. And as you can see, that oil is oozing out. Alright, so as you can see, oil has separated. So turn off the stove and Szechuan sauce is ready to use in your recipes. You can store Szechuan sauce now, or you can start preparing your favorite recipes. And now you are on your way to prepare Szechuan fried rice, noodles, paneer, potatoes, anything that you want to prepare. And I simply love during winter time, I love to prepare all Indo-Chinese fusion recipes. I keep this sauce ready mostly in my refrigerator and use anytime I want to. Just a little goes a long way for some of the recipes. So you saw how easy it is to prepare Szechuan sauce at home, and look at the color and aroma is so wonderful here in all over my house. And believe me or not, it tastes amazing. You won't miss store-bought Szechuan sauce or like a traditional, the way it's prepared traditional. This quick version is really good, and I hope you try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week if you haven't subscribed yet. And please do visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thank you for watching and see you soon.